Good morning everyone. Welcome to our presentation Crescent English High. My team focus on solving a challenge that every Indian family faces. Can you guess it? That is drying clothes. When it's rain or the weather is cold, the clothes take too time to dry. This leads to two big problems. Number one, health risks. The smelly clothes, indoor dampness and mold are unhealthy for our home. This dampness is a silent threat leading to respiratory issues or poor hygiene. Number two, cost and energy. Cost and energy. The electric alternative means high bills and wasted energy. We need a zero cost solution. We have put dedication and effort to prove that the simple science provides the best solution. Here is our model. We present the natural solar dryer. It uses no electricity and purely works on science. Now let me explain you how our model is. We cover both the sides of the chart black box with black chart paper, as black color absorbs the sunlight better than any other color. Number two, the heat trap. The clear plastic sheet over the top acts like a mini greenhouse. It lets light in, but it traps the heat, making the air very warm. Number three, the airflow. We have made some small holes to allow the hot moist air to rise and escape, completing a natural drying cycle. The science behind it. The effectiveness of this dryer is based on two-core non-electric physics principle. The solar absorption. The black surface absorbs nearly 90% of the sunlight that enters the blocks, converting the light energy into heat. Number two, the natural convection. The dryer creates its own continuous airflow without any mechanical parts. Cool air and inflow. As the moisture exits, a vacuum effect is created. This pulls fresh cooler, drier air in through the lower intake hole. The result is this creates a perpetual cycle of air exchange, ensuring that the moist air is constantly replaced by dry air. This process is called natural convection and it speeds up drying significantly. And finally, the dryer acts as a self-regulating thermal engine. Now, the greatest benefit. This project directly supports the vision of the developer. But do you know why? Let me tell you. Number one, sustainability. It has zero running cost. It is clean green solution for daily life. Number two, accessibility. It can be made by anyone, anywhere by using simple or cheap materials. Number three, health and hygiene. The clothes dries very faster and completely stops the bad smells and mold before they start. Now, our conclusion is, look at this simple model. It is the revolution made from cheap materials. We are not just drying clothes, but we are drying away the challenges and building an economic freedom. The natural solar dryer is the symbol of sustainable self-reliance, Atmanirbhar.